Namaskar. Welcome to India Meteorological Department IMD Daily Weather Briefing, 2nd August 2021. In this briefing, we will see what has observed during past 24 hours and what is expected during next 24 hours. So next slide is for the monsoon activity during past 24 hours. So we have two figures. One is for subdivisional wise distribution of 24 hours cumulative rainfall during 8:30 hours IST of 1st August to 8:30 hours IST of 2nd August, and second figure is dedicated for the monsoon activity in terms of weak, normal, vigorous and active. So from the left hand side figure we can see that fairly widespread to widespread activity observed over Madhya Pradesh, East Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Northeast India, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, islands that is Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar Islands, Konkan and Goa, coastal Karnataka, Kerala and Mahe. And over remaining parts of the country, it was mainly isolated, scattered during past 24 hours. As far as right hand side figure is concerned, so this light blue color shows that the active monsoon condition prevailed during past 24 hours over Madhya Pradesh, East Rajasthan and West Uttar Pradesh, and normal, that is green color, over West Rajasthan, Haryana, East Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Andaman Nicobar Islands. And red color shows over rest part of the country, which depicts that the monsoon remains weak over these areas. As far as rainfall is concerned, extremely heavy rainfall at one or two places realized over West Madhya Pradesh and East Rajasthan, and heavy to very heavy rainfall realized over Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya mainly. As far as the quantitatively, Sahaba reported 25, Savai Madhopur 22, Sapotra 18 centimeter, Jhansi 17 centimeter, Sivapur 16 centimeter, and here we have represented rainfall up to 8 centimeter. So this is about the total overall picture of the rainfall activity during past 24 hours over different parts of the country. Now move to the synoptic systems as on today. What is there? We have one well-marked low pressure area over southwest Uttar Pradesh and adjoining areas of northwest Madhya Pradesh. And yesterday's low pressure area over South Haryana has become less marked. And we have one cyclonic circulation over these northern parts of Bangladesh in lower tropospheric levels, and our monsoon trough is passing through this WML to Tripura, and it is slightly north to its normal position today. And we have also one trough in westerlies in mid and upper tropospheric levels that is shown here. And this is the cloud picture which shows that the persistence of the clouds over mainly over Madhya Pradesh and adjoining areas of Rajasthan and southwest Uttar Pradesh, and some cloud patches over this Bihar and adjoining areas of South and West Bengal and Andaman Nicobar Islands mainly. So under the influence of these synoptic systems, that is WML and the location of the monsoon trough, and this small sizer over this northern parts of the Bangladesh, we are expecting that under the influence of this WML, that is well-marked low pressure area, heavy to very heavy rainfall at few places with isolated extremely heavy rainfall over this East Rajasthan, and heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places with isolated extremely heavy rainfall over West Madhya Pradesh during next 24 hours, and heavy to very heavy rainfall mainly over southwest Uttar Pradesh and East Madhya Pradesh, and one or two places over Assam, Meghalaya also likely during next 24 hours. Otherwise, by the yellow color shows the possibility of isolated rainfall over Uttarakhand, Haryana, this Bihar, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and West Rajasthan during next 24 hours. As far as thunderstorm activity is concerned, it is likely mainly over Bihar, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura. As regards fishermen warning, this is this is due to the strong wind likely over North Maharashtra coast and Gujarat coast and regional area of North Arabian Sea during next 24 hours. And the speed is expected 40 to 50 kmph, gusting to 60 kmph. And also strong winds over southwest and adjoining west and Arabian Sea. Here, strong wind speed reaching 50 to 60, gusting to 70 is likely during next 24 hours. So this is about the fisherman warning, and over these areas, fishermen are advised not to venture during next 24 hours. So next image is concerned with the weather warning for next 5 days. So the current activity of extremely heavy rainfall over West Madhya Pradesh and East Rajasthan likely over these areas during next 2 days, mainly during 2nd and 3rd August, and with a little reduction on 4th. However, isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall is still likely over West Madhya Pradesh and East Rajasthan on 4th August. And thereafter, this heavy only isolated heavy rainfall is likely on 5th and 6th August over these areas. As far as the hills, western Himalayan region is concerned, Uttarakhand likely to experience isolated heavy rainfall during the next 5 days, and also west Uttar Pradesh is also likely heavy rainfall during the next 5 days. However, other parts of the country, like southern parts of the country, that is South India, where very little chances of any heavy spell during next 4 to 5 days, and heavy rainfall is likely over this eastern parts of the country, that is Southern West Bengal and Odisha and Gangetic West Bengal on 4th, and over Gangetic West Bengal on 4th and 5th August likely during these days. Otherwise, this big monsoon activity is expected over southern parts of the country during the next 5 days, and normal activity likely over northern parts of the country, as already mentioned. So this is already told that isolated extremely heavy rainfall is likely over East Rajasthan and West Madhya Pradesh during next 2 days. So impact is also likely, that is localized flooding of roads, waterlogging in low-lying areas, and closure of underpass, mainly in urban areas of these two subdivisions, and occasional reduction in visibility due to the heavy rainfall, disruption of traffic in major cities due to the waterlogging in roads and leading to increased travel time, minor damage to Kacha roads, possibilities of damage to vulnerable structure, localized landslides and mudslides, and damage to horticulture and standing crops in some areas due to inundation. It may lead to riverine floods in some river catchments. And for more detail, you can visit web page of Central Water Commission also. As far as action suggestions are concerned, check for traffic congestion on your route before leaving for your destination. Follow any traffic advisory that are issued in this regard, and avoid going to areas that face the waterlogging problems often. Avoid staying in vulnerable structure. It is recommended to kindly download our apps available on Android and iOS platforms, that is Mosam app, Damini app, and Meghdoot app. We are regularly updating our weather bulletins on our website mosam.imd.gov.in, and we are also posting our Facebook and Twitter pages, this weather warnings and weather forecast. And also we are uploading daily twice two videos, one in Hindi and one in English on our YouTube channel. Kindly just subscribe our channel and comment on it. Thank you very much.